Hey guys, Dr. TJ Ahn here. So here we are tackling that burning question everyone's asking. Is AI gonna steal our jobs as doctors? Well, guess what? We are flipping that script today. So instead of freaking out about AI, I'm going to show you how to use it to absolutely revolutionize your practice. So listen up. Because the AI revolution in healthcare isn't coming, it's already here. And it's moving at lightning speed. So you've got two choices, resist it or embrace it. And let me tell you, embracing it is how we're going to level up our skills and give our patients the best care they've ever had. Did you know that AI models like GPT-4 are now outperforming doctors in some complex cases? That's not a threat, people. That's an opportunity for us to become even better at what we do. Now, don't get it twisted. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to supercharge what we can do. There's this awesome book, The AI Revolution in Medicine, GPT-4 and Beyond, and it breaks down how AI can crunch massive amounts of medical data, help with diagnosis, and even handle our paperwork. Imagine combining our expertise with AI's insane data processing power. We're talking outcomes neither of us could reach alone. The secret sauce, collaboration. It's us and AI. Working together, that's gonna give the best results. So let's talk about money for a second. You might think AI is going to break the bank, but it's actually the opposite. AI is making healthcare more cost effective. We're seeing digital and AI solutions transforming everything. Better patient care, boosting what we can do as providers, and automating all that boring stuff we hate doing. What does that mean for us? We can streamline processes, cut down on errors, and focus on the high-value tasks that really matter. So bottom line, lower cost, better care. It's a win-win, right? Now let me blow your mind with AI's diagnostic power. This stuff can process more data in seconds than we could in a year. We're talking faster, more accurate diagnosis. There's been some crazy breakthroughs in protein sequencing models like ESM3 and AlphaFold3. Again, translation, we can predict and prevent complications before they even happen. How cool is that? All right, here's where it gets really good. Prompting. The key to making AI your personal superhero assistant is knowing how to ask the right questions. So it's all about effective prompting. So let me drop some knowledge from Jeff Wood's recent book, AI-Driven Leaders. He's got this 3-step approach I love. First, clearly state what you want. Second, give the AI some context. And third, tell it exactly how you want the information served up. For example, instead of asking something vague like, tell me about diabetes management, you'd say, as a podiatrist treating diabetic patients, I need a summary of the latest research on diabetes management techniques from the last 6 months. Give it to me in bullet points, focusing on what it means for foot care. You see the difference? So these smart prompts are how we are going to stay on top of our game, give personalized care, streamline our paperwork, and even manage our practices better. Master this and you'll be unlocking AI's full potential in your practice. Now, let me give you some real-world example of how AI is revolutionizing private practices. You ready? Imagine having an AI receptionist that never misses a call, books appointments, and answers patients' questions 24/7, or a pre-consultation bot that gathers patient history and symptoms before they even step into your office. We're talking major time savers here. But it doesn't stop there. How about an AI that automatically follows up with patients after their visit, checking on their recovery and smartly managing your online reviews? Or a treatment recommendation companion that suggests follow-up care based on your notes and best practices. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now in practices across the country and world. These AI tools aren't just cool technology. They're serious business boosters. They're saving clinics 1 to 2 full-time staff positions, reactivating dormant patients, and making sure no opportunity for care falls through the cracks. And the best part, they're working 24/7, even when you are catching some well-deserved sleeps. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. TJ, this sounds complicated and expensive. But here's the kicker. Many of these AI solutions are surprisingly easy to set up and can actually save you money in the long run. They're not replacing us, docs. They're freeing us up to a focus on what we do best. You know what that is, right? Providing top-notch personalized patient care. And let me tell you, patients love it too. Faster responses, better experiences, less wait time. It's a win-win-win situation. This is how we are going to thrive in the new era of healthcare, not just to survive. Here's another game changer, automation. By letting AI handle admin stuff, we get to focus on what really matters, our patients. We've got smart implants and wearables now that can monitor patients in real time. I mean, it's revolutionizing how we manage chronic diseases. Happier patients, happier us. And don't even get me started on how AI is transforming telemedicine, right? We can monitor patients better and jump in earlier when there's a problem. Generative AI is going mainstream in healthcare, speeding up diagnosis, cutting down on mistakes, and predicting patient outcomes like never before. We're expanding our reach and getting patients more involved in their own care. With AI, the sky's the limit in medicine. So it's time to let our imagination run wild and create some seriously innovative solutions for our patients. For example, my AI tool, Midas AI Staff, is just one example of how we can leverage this tech in our practices. But hey, let's keep it real for a second. AI is amazing, but it's not perfect. As doctors, we've got to provide oversight, making sure it's being used ethically, and deal with stuff like data security, bias, and informed consent. So it's all about finding that sweet spot between using AI's capabilities and keeping the human touch in healthcare. The future of medicine isn't coming, guys. It's here right now. I want to say this again. Don't get left in the dust. Start bringing AI into your practice today to give better care and grow your business. Trust me, it's way better to learn this stuff now than to be playing catch up later. AI isn't just changing healthcare, it's making medical information more accessible to everyone and even making medical education better. So remember, AI isn't the boogeyman. It's the biggest opportunity we've had in decades. So by embracing this tech, we can become better doctors and build practices that really, truly thrive. So if you're ready to take the leap, I've got your back. Book a consultation using the link below and let's figure out an AI strategy that's perfect for your practice. So thanks for watching, guys. If you find this helpful, and I know you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Check out the description for more resources on AI in healthcare, including my AI tool, Midas Voice AI Staff. So until next time, keep innovating and remember the future of healthcare is us and AI working together to do amazing things. See you in the next video.